Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. At Empath IQ, we've been working on upgrading our virtual human AI sales advisor, rebuilt for the retail floor. We have sharpened it in ways that matter the most when a customer is standing right in front of it. Here's what is new with this version. One of the most important updates that we have done is the avatar now converses in every Indic language. So earlier, like we had the avatar only working for English and Hindi. Now it can speak in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Marathi, and Bengali, and so many other languages across India. And it also knows your entire catalog. So every product and every spec, every SKU that's available in your store can be added into the avatar memory, and it shows exactly what the customer is asking for instead of just telling them. So we've introduced a new UI feature which actually shows the product. So you'll see that in a minute. It turns every conversation into intelligence for the business as well. So while I'm talking about these upgrades, let me also bring in a live demonstration as well. Right now we'll converse in English. Hello, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm Aryan, your technology consultant here. I can help you with product information, specifications, comparisons, and recommendations across smartphones, TVs, laptops, appliances, and more. I can speak in English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, and other Indian languages. Which language are you most comfortable with?
Let's speak in English.
Great! I'll continue in English. How can I help you today?
Do you have the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max available in your store?
We have the iPhone 17 Pro Max available. It's a fantastic choice if you're looking for top-tier performance, an incredible camera system, and a stunning display. Honestly, the camera capabilities are perfect for capturing high-quality photos and videos. Are you interested in exploring the camera features, battery life, or maybe the overall performance?
Well, could you tell me more about the camera?
The iPhone 17 Pro Max features an advanced camera system that includes a 50 megapixels main sensor, which means you can capture incredibly detailed images. It also has improved low light performance, so your night shots will look fantastic without much noise. The optical zoom capabilities let you get closer to your subjects without losing quality. Honestly, if photography is important to you, this phone really excels in that area. Would you like to dive deeper into its video recording features, or maybe how it performs in low light conditions?
I would also like to know more about the battery of this phone as well.
About the iPhone 17 Pro Max's battery. It offers all-day battery life, which means you won't be scrambling to find a charger halfway through your day. Plus, it supports fast charging, so you can get about 50% charge in just around 20 minutes when plugged in. It also has MagSafe and Qi wireless charging support, making it super convenient to charge without dealing with cables. If it were me, I'd definitely appreciate the peace of mind knowing I can rely on it throughout the day. Would you like to explore how it performs with heavy usage, or maybe look into charging options?
Before that, could you tell me what do you think of the electronic retail industry and how you can actually help out the business?
The electronic retail industry is constantly evolving, especially with the rapid advancements in technology. Consumers are looking for not just products, but also experiences and knowledgeable guidance. What I've seen is that providing personalized recommendations and understanding customer needs can really set a business apart. I can help by offering tailored product knowledge, ensuring customers find exactly what they're looking for, and enhancing their overall shopping experience. This can lead to higher satisfaction and repeat business. If you're interested, I can share more about how we can implement these strategies effectively in your store. Would that be helpful?
All good for now. Thank you so much for the information.
Welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions in the future or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
So, folks, what you saw was the avatar speaking in English. Now, let's actually turn this around and speak in an Indic language and see how this works. So, let's go ahead into the demo. Hello, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm Aryan, your technology consultant here. I can help you with product information, specifications, comparisons, and recommendations across smartphones, TVs, laptops, appliances, and more. I can speak in English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, and other Indian languages. Which language are you most comfortable with?
Let's speak in Kannada language.
ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿವೋ X300 Pro ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವೋ X300 Pro ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಫೋನ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
ವೆಲ್, ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ?
ವಿವೋ X300 Pro ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಮೆಗಾಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೈಟ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಲೋ ಲೈಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ನ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯಕ. ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಈಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
ಸರಿ, ನನಗೆ ನೈಟ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ?
ಮೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವೋ X300 Pro ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೋ ಲೈಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ನ ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ನ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯಕ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇದು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
ಆಲ್ ಗುಡ್, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಬೇಕು ಆಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
So, folks, again, that's an example of the avatar speaking in the Indic language, Kannada. And this can actually span across multiple languages. As I said earlier, it can speak in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and so on. So this way, it actually speaks your customer's language, right? So that's the most important bridge that we want to actually, have. And another important thing is right now within its memory, it actually knows every product that you sell. So you can actually upload all the products into it, and it knows each and every SKU, spec, and comparison. So whenever queries do come up by the customer, which are very difficult for the staff to answer, the avatar would be able to actually be there as an advisor and provide all the information to the consumers. And we've also seen in this demo clearly that it shows you like what it's talking about, not just tells you. So the moment a customer asks a question, the product appears in a cleaner redesigned screen right beside the avatar, and it shows a full spec of all the information, and also like in the future it'll show a side by side comparison as well. This way, the user or the consumer not only just hears the avatar but also can get a visual cue of the product as well. Most importantly, it is the same expert every single time. So, the avatar does not have a bad day. We talked about consistency in the past as well. We've actually grounded the avatar responses in such a way that it does not deviate from the standard responses it should provide to the customers. So it ensures that, it feels and talks to customers empathetically and ensures that their queries are actually addressed. And in a way it actually feels human to talk to as well. So when you see this live avatar in a store, maybe like sitting in the middle of a store, and people walk up to it and talk to it, it feels like you're actually talking to a person. So with all the new gestures, new timings, conversation timings, and fine presence that we've added in, it it makes the realism much more better. And obviously, we've talked about this in the previous videos as well. Every conversation becomes intelligence for the business. So, as even the avatar rightly explained, how it can actually help out in the retail electronic business is it can capture customers' intent and it can actually drive sales for the business. This is what, Empath IQ is trying to do here with the solution. And, I'd like to say that this is just a few updates that we have for now, a couple of major ones. In the future, we'll still be working on, more updates, be it minor and major. And to keep following to our updates, like how it's going through, you can actually visit our website, www.empathiqtechnologies.com. So there's a lot more coming. Do subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching. If you do have any queries, directly, comment or reach out to us on our email address. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Have a good day.